Hello guys, welcome to section 2 of this course. Okay, let's talk about console application structure. This is our console application which we created by .NET 7 in the previous lecture. As we've told you, this is a console application structure with new program style. One thing you should to know is this program style is starting with .NET 6, and as you can see, it's only including single line. But in the .NET 5 and earlier versions, we have a different program style which has 11 lines. Lots of beginners get confused by seeing this structure. It's normal, and don't worry. During this course, you'll get more familiar with this structure. Alright, these two structures represent the same program, and both of them are valid in C# 11. When you use the new program style, you only need to write the body of the main method, which means everything inside of these curly braces. So you don't need to write the other program elements because the C# compiler generates them for you behind the scene. But you should to know almost all console applications that have been created so far are using old program style. So let's give you a brief explanation about these program elements. Okay, we start with namespace declaration in the second line. But what is namespace? We're using namespace for organizing our code elements. Everything between these curly braces belongs to your first application namespace. For instance, in this application, we have a program class in the your first application namespace. We talk more about namespace in the following lectures. Okay, in the fourth line, we have the program class declaration. This class belongs to your first application namespace. Also, like a namespace, everything between these curly braces belongs to program class. Every class contains a set of members. For example, we have main method in our program class. You should to know every single line of code we write is being executed in the main method. If you've been confused, it's pretty normal. Actually, class and method is beyond the basic C# course. We discuss about these two into the intermediate course. Okay, we've shown you both new and old program styles, but which one is better option for you to work with? In our opinion, for a beginner, it's better to work with the old program style because you can see the all elements of the application structure. Alright, let's show you how to create a console application with old program style in the .NET 7. First, let's open vscode and create a folder for our new application. Now, let's open the terminal and go for .NET new console command. When we wanna create an old program style, we need to add --use -program -main parameter and press enter. As you can see, this command generates this structure for us, which is almost as same as the old program style. The main difference between two of them is about namespace declaration. Alright, in the next lecture we talk about C# syntax. See you soon.